Hello, everybody. Welcome back to another trade recap. I am back. I'm back. I have missed a few of my trades. A break even, and I think a win. I did not upload, and maybe a loss too. But I was away. I was away, so I could not record or upload anything. But I am back now. I know you guys miss me. So let's get into this trade recap. Coming into today, I was bullish. You might be asking, why are you bullish when we're going lower right here? Well, guess what? We can still go higher even if we initially are trending lower pre-market. This is because, right? Ti Pair this with your high time frame bias, right? Daily, I'm definitely bullish, right? We came down, we swept out these June lows. I don't expect this daily gap to hold at all towards these low resistance highs all the way towards all-time highs. I'm expecting an all-time high run, right? Off of this low. So we come down, scale down, 4 hour. What do we see here? We're inside this daily gap up here, came down, and then we took out this 4 hour aligned with the intermediate low inside of it. And then what did we get off of that? We delivered higher off of that, right? So the next obvious draw is this low resistance right here being previous day high, right? With low resistance leading up to it. Where is it? Previous day high. So this gives us a protected stop loss versus an unprotected target, right? And that's what we want to see if we're going to be bullish coming into today. We also had this obvious 4 hour intermediate high. I think it tapped it by maybe a tick or 0.25 of a tick. But yeah, definitely super obvious draw. And yeah, so let's get into open. What I wanted to see coming into open was either we come down, tap this 5 minute, and then go higher for a little Judas. We can come all the way down, tap this rejection block, and then go higher towards this 4 hour intermediate high. What? Here, let me take off this PO3. So real important for this. But market open, come up, take out this 30 minute. All right. But what we do leave is this 4 hour intermediate high. We end up generating. Now I want to look for a trade up to here, and I see this nice little 3 minute right here. So now I'm looking for something off this 3 minute. You had this initial long, which was, there wasn't a 30 second, there was only a 15 second, which I didn't really love. Because it just wasn't that good. 15 second, I don't want to take a 15 second on this. Could have taken the 1 minute CISD, but if I was going to take something like this where we just tap it and then go higher, not really much liquidity generated. I wanted to have a pretty easy break even point because a lot of the time, this would have been my break even point, but a lot of the time you end up stop rating and going higher. What ended up happening was perfectly what I wanted to happen, was a stop raid right here and then a reaction off of it with a nice SMT and a CE tap, right? So this is a perfect pattern trade. This is everything good mechanically, but here's, and then yeah, okay. I placed a limit order, so I got in around right here, and then, sorry, got in right here. Liked how we generated that high, boom, 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 and held for a 1-to-1 right there. This is a pattern trade, I believe, because we can see what is this 3 minute protecting. It's protecting low resistance liquidity right here, right? Oops. It's protecting this low resistance, and especially within this choppy range right here, maybe if like we came up, we accumulated, and made some low resistance highs up here, then this would be a better trade for sure. But we just didn't end up doing that. We just accumulated, and we had um yeah, we just stop rated, and then it was just choppy right here, right? So is it the best condition to be taking a short, especially with this 5 minute right here underneath this 3 minute? No, it's not the best. What I should have waited for was either a five come down into the 5 minute, or I think we did also end up forming a 5 minute. Wait for a 5 minute to form and then take it instead of taking this 3 minute. So, but yeah, it was a little pattern tradey. That's the only problem I had with today's trade. Otherwise, um, mechanically it was really good. CE tap, resweep, and yeah, hold on. Here's the SMT that formed right here. ES displaced higher into the. I don't even think there's a 4 hour on ES, but no. But yeah, that was today. This is what I took. Thank you all so much for watching. I will see you in the next good. Oh wait, if you want to support me on TradeZella, I'll leave that in the description. Um, you get the best discount code referral on TradeZella, and if you want to support me on Lucid, use code DNUTBUTTER. Use code DB when checking out your Lucid accounts to get the best possible discount. Thank you all very much for watching. I will see you all in the next one. Goodbye.